Are you tired of living in a cluttered home? Do you often find yourself searching for items you just can't seem to locate? This is a common struggle that many of us face. Clutter has a way of creeping up, slowly taking over our living spaces, and before we know it, we're spending more time looking for things than actually using them. It's not just an inconvenience. It's a daily drain on our time, energy, and even our mood. But it doesn't have to be this way. Today, we're diving into the topic of 15 daily habits for a clutter-free home. We'll be exploring habits and routines that can help you reclaim your space, reduce your stress, and transform the way you live. So, if you're ready to take the first step towards a more organized, peaceful home and a less chaotic, more productive life, stay tuned for some game-changing habits. Habit number 1, everything has its place. Now, this might sound like we're trying to channel your third-grade teacher, but bear with us. Imagine your home as a bustling city. Every item from your car keys to your coffee mug is a citizen of this city. And just like every citizen needs a home, every item needs a home too. Why, you ask? Well, think about it. When you come back from a long day, don't you feel a sense of calm when you step into your home? The same principle applies to your belongings. When each item has its designated spot, it's less likely to be left lying around, causing clutter. It's like playing a game of musical chairs where everyone wins because every chair is taken. So, assign homes to your items. Your keys could live by the door, your coffee mug in the kitchen cabinet. You'll be amazed at how this simple habit can transform your space. Remember, a place for everything and everything in its place. Habit number 2, daily decluttering. Imagine your home as a big ship. If you allow clutter to build up, it's like letting barnacles attach to the hull. It may not seem like a big deal at first, but over time it slows you down, creating a drag on your daily life. Now, what if you could scrape off those pesky barnacles every day? That's what daily decluttering does for your home. By making decluttering a daily habit, you keep your space shipshape, boosting its efficiency and your happiness. It's like having a mini spring cleaning session every day, without the overwhelming task of tackling a year's worth of clutter all at once. And remember, you're not just cleaning your surroundings, you're also clearing your mind, making space for creativity and productivity to flourish. So let's grab that metaphorical scraper and make decluttering a habit. Remember, a little decluttering each day keeps the chaos at bay. Let's move on to habits 3, 4, and 5. The 1 in, 1 out rule, utilizing storage and regular cleaning. First up, we have the 1 in, 1 out rule. This is a simple yet powerful habit to keep clutter at bay. Imagine it like this. You're at a party, and your house is the venue. It's a great party, but there's one rule. For every new guest that arrives, one has to leave. This ensures the party doesn't get too crowded. The same principle applies to your belongings. For every new item that you bring into your home, one item must go. This habit helps you maintain balance and prevents the accumulation of unnecessary stuff. Next, let's talk about utilizing storage. Storage isn't just about tucking things away, it's about creating a system where every item has its place. Picture your home as a library. Each book in a library has a specific spot on the shelf, making it easy to find when needed. Similarly, when each item in your home has a designated storage spot, it makes it easier to locate things and keep your space tidy. Finally, let's discuss regular cleaning. Yes, we know cleaning isn't the most exciting topic, but it's crucial for a clutter-free home. Regular cleaning is like hitting the refresh button on your living space. It's not just about dusting and vacuuming, it's about going through your belongings, reevaluating what you need, and getting rid of what you don't. It's a constant process of renewal that keeps your home fresh and organized. So there you have it, the 1 in, 1 out rule, utilizing storage, and regular cleaning. These habits may seem simple, but they're the building blocks of an organized home. They help you maintain balance, create order, and keep your space clean and rejuvenating. By adopting these habits, you're well on your way to a more organized home. If you find our content helpful, remember to engage with us. A thumbs up helps us reach more people. Share your decluttering experiences and tips in the comments. Your insights could inspire others. Don't forget to subscribe and join our community aimed at creating organized, stress-free living spaces. You'll also be notified of our new videos. Your engagement tells the YouTube algorithm that you value our content, so hit like, comment, and subscribe. Let's journey towards a clutter-free life together. Now let's dive into habits 6 through 10. Imagine this. You walk in the door and there it is, the ever-growing mountain of mail. Bills, catalogs, flyers, and the occasional handwritten letter. How do we tackle this? Well, habit number 6 is all about sorting mail daily. As soon as it enters your home, deal with it. Recycle junk mail, file important documents, and respond to correspondence promptly. This way, you'll keep your countertop clear and your mind at ease, knowing there's no unsorted mail lurking around. Next up, we have minimalism. No, I'm not saying you should live in a stark white room with just a mattress and a single chair. Minimalism is about keeping only what you truly value and use. It's habit number 7, and it's all about intentionality. Ask yourself, do I really need this? If the answer is no, it's time to say goodbye. This philosophy not only clears your space, but also clears your mind, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Moving on to habit number 8, clear surfaces. You might be thinking, but I love my knickknacks. That's okay. Clear surfaces don't necessarily mean empty. It's about reducing visual clutter. A clear desk or kitchen counter can provide a sense of calm and order. So make it a habit to clear off your surfaces at the end of each day. It's a small action with big impact. Now let's talk digital. In the age of technology, clutter isn't just physical. Digital clutter can be just as overwhelming. Emails, files, photos, oh my. Habit number 9 is digital organization. Start by unsubscribing from unnecessary emails and deleting old files. Create a system for your digital files that's easy to navigate. Just like physical clutter, managing digital clutter can help reduce stress and increase productivity. And finally, we have habit number 10, planning ahead. An organized person thinks about tomorrow today. Lay out your clothes for the next day, prepare your lunch, plan your to-do list. These small acts of preparation can make your mornings smoother and your days more productive. These habits are not just about organizing your space, but also organizing your life. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Each small step you take towards these habits can lead to big changes in your home and in your life, so take a deep breath and let's continue this journey together. Finally, we reach habits 11 to 15. Habit 11 is a tough one for many of us, but it's essential. Don't procrastinate. Let's face it, putting off tasks can be a tempting habit to fall into, but it's a slippery slope. One day you decide to leave those dishes in the sink, and before you know it, they've multiplied into a mini mountain range. So, let's make it a habit to tackle tasks head-on as they come. It's about embracing the do-it-now mentality. Remember, it's easier to keep up than catch up. Moving on to habit 12, use labels. Labels are like the unsung heroes of organization. They might seem like an extra step, but they can save you time and frustration in the long run. Imagine having a drawer full of cables and wires, each one looking more similar to the next. A label can be the difference between spending 10 minutes untangling cords and spending just 10 seconds to find the right one. So, embrace the power of labels. Your future self will thank you. Next up, habit 13, organize your drawers. Now this might seem like a daunting task, especially if your drawers are a jumble of odds and ends. But it doesn't have to be. Start by emptying out one drawer at a time. Group similar items together and discard or donate what you don't need. Then use drawer organizers or dividers to keep everything in its place. This way you'll know exactly where to find that pair of scissors the next time you need it. Habit 14 is about regular maintenance. Keeping a clutter-free home isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous process. It's about making small adjustments and regular check-ins to ensure everything is where it should be. It could be as simple as spending 5 minutes each day to tidy up a room. Over time, these small actions add up, and you'll find that maintaining a clutter-free home becomes second nature. Finally, habit 15. Celebrate your progress. It's easy to focus on what you haven't done yet, but let's not forget to celebrate the steps you've taken. Maybe you've managed to keep your desk clear for a week, or you've finally organized that pantry. These are victories worth celebrating. So, give yourself a pat on the back, do a little happy dance, or treat yourself to something nice. After all, keeping a clutter-free home is as much about the journey as it is the destination. Remember, the key to a clutter-free home is consistency and celebration of small victories. So there you have it, the 15 daily habits organized people use to keep their homes clutter-free. From the simple act of ensuring everything has its place, to the disciplined routine of daily decluttering, each habit plays a crucial role in maintaining a tidy home environment. We've explored the one-in, one-out rule to control the influx of items, the importance of utilizing storage effectively, and the necessity of regular cleaning. We've also emphasized the need for sorting mail promptly, embracing minimalism, maintaining clear surfaces, staying digitally organized, and planning ahead. And remember, don't procrastinate. Use labels to help you find things easily. Organize your drawers, carry out regular maintenance, and always celebrate your progress no matter how small. These habits aren't just about keeping your space clean, they're about making your life easier and more enjoyable. You have the power to transform your home into a clutter-free haven. Start today and witness the change. Before we wrap up this video, we have a small request. If you found these tips helpful and want to continue improving your daily life, don't forget to subscribe to our SmartLife Solutions channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we post new content, and you'll get access to a plethora of other useful videos that can help you lead a more organized and efficient life. It's a small action, but it can have a big impact. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. So take that step today by clicking on the subscribe button. We promise to keep providing you with engaging and practical content that will help you transform your life. Thank you for watching. And remember, a clutter-free home is a clutter-free mind. Stay organized, stay happy.